Get ready to be amazed because this is officially taking over the internet. Stop scrolling right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it works better than anything else in the market. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before it's completely gone. Get ready to be amazed because this is officially taking over the internet. Stop scrolling right